How heart works. The human heart is a vital organ that pumps blood throughout the body. Here is a simplified explanation of how the human heart works. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest. It is divided into 4 chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. The heart has 4 valves that control the flow of blood in and out of the chambers. The tricuspid valve separates the right atrium from the right ventricle, and the mitral valve separates the left atrium from the left ventricle. The pulmonary valve separates the right ventricle from the pulmonary artery, which carries blood to the lungs, and the aortic valve separates the left ventricle from the aorta, which carries blood to the rest of the body. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. The right atrium then contracts, pushing the blood through the tricuspid valve and into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, pushing the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery, which carries the blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium. The left atrium then contracts, pushing the blood through the mitral valve and into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts, pushing the oxygenated blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, which carries the blood to the rest of the body. The cycle starts again with the deoxygenated blood returning to the right atrium, and the process repeats. This continuous cycle of contraction and relaxation of the heart's chambers allows it to pump blood throughout the body, providing oxygen and nutrients to the body's organs and tissues.